kill the people and let the survivors surrender to SPLM. This is what President Kiir called homework. Go to your hometown, burn down, kill the people. Let the survivors surrender to SPLM. He's calling it homework. In order for him to appoint you, you have to go and do something dirty to your community. And this can only happen to the Nuer. He normally does this to the Nuer generals. If anybody wants to be appointed or wanted to be promoted, he sends them to his or her hometown, kill the people, burn the village down, then come back. President Kiir will promote you. This is what President Kiir called, go and do your homework. Then after that, he's going to promote you. He's going to appoint you to the position you want. But on the other hand, it can never happen to the Dinka generals. That's what I like from Dinka generals. They value the lives of their people. They value the lives of their civilians. You can never find a Dinka general grab a gun, run back to his hometown, burn it down, kill the people. Where he was born from, where he was raised from. It can never happen in the Dinka community. A Dinka general can never do that. But these Nuer generals, they don't care. They are so quick to grab a gun and run back to their hometown and burn it down, kill the people. Just because of money. Because of money. You see what these Dinka generals did? What happened in Abyemnum? They were saying it should be a countrywide mourning. A countrywide mourning. What happened in Abyemnum? And they were calling everybody they were saying everybody should mourn. And do you know what they're doing now? They are doing fundraising. They managed to raise like 4 million to help the affected individuals. Unlikely. When the Nuer gets killed, nobody do nothing. Let me not say about this Nuer. They cannot talk. They cannot do fundraising. They cannot go to visit. But people were killed in Abyemnum. The government sends a special force, which is being led by Mai, to go and do the investigation. But you can never see this Nuer going to Nasser, going to Fangak, going to Law, going to Bentiu to investigate what happened. Nuer are being roasted with chemical weapons. Nobody's going there. Nuer are being bombed. Nuer are being burned with cluster bombs. Nobody visiting them. Nobody gives shit. Nobody talks shit about it. They don't care. So Dinka lives matter. Nuer lives ain't matter.